Amo kay mama dito ko dito siya wa. A girl transferred in a public school. They have a 3-road CR for
Hi,
girls,
Dan.
but
Kabuangin na
nobody,
pagkutol ka na kasi but nobody.
but nobody uses the middle CR except her. She's wondering why she always feels that there's someone touching her forehead every time she uses the CR.
At kasi marang kadung na kuan na.
One day she saw a janitress and
Yeah.
asked her and asked her
Anya one day.
and asked her,
This is my room.
excuse me, matagal ka na ba dito?
Ako
Ano ang
makakonsensya na
janitress?
88%. Butog na. Butog ka na utog.
Ano din siya dan,
Oh,
ang
yeah.
janitress? Oo, bakit? Ano ang girl? Kasi sa tuwing gagamit ako ng yung gitnang CR, parang may
So,
humihi
humihikay
ko
ka
sa
doon,
noo ko.